What's up, traders? This is Boss giving you an update on each and every forex market that we are posting on YouTube. Now, if you want the rest of the forex market analysis, please make sure you inbox and you get yourself the full package of the next and the markets that are not analyzed in this YouTube channel. Now, without wasting further time, let me make sure that you get your subscription worth your while. What's up, traders? This is Boss giving you an update on the dollar strength. Now, I'm gonna start this analysis from the monthly down to the 1 hour chart. Without wasting further time, let me get right to it. Now, currently as we are trading, the overall sentiment is bearish for me. Now, remember, this is a 1 month chart, meaning one candle it is equals to a whole month. Now, we have not yet basically made the second test of this supply area and then continue down to our designated area. Now, I believe that this is going to happen over time, maybe this year, later on, or next year, but overall, this is my perspective. Now, going into deep, the deep of the details is you can have a zoom in like this. Now, after this zoom in, you can realize that this pattern is a bullish pattern, and I believe that this is the area where we are still structured to go before we look for bearish setups and then continue down with the selling pressure. Now, let's go down to our weekly time frame. Now, with this weekly time frame, what we have in the market is that it is one candle represent 1 week. Now we've had a whole month of consecutive bullish reaction, and even this this week started here, and I think we are going to invalidate here in the weekly time frame and make a new high right around this area right here. After making this new high, this is the designated take profit 107.932. Now let's go over to a smaller time frame of the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, this is a beautiful chart. If you were not in it, just enjoy watching us make money. Now, without wasting further time, remember we are still structured to the upside. Now on the daily time frame, uh, this little move right here from this area might serve as a benchmark before we reach here, or this might be a beginning of a new wave down towards the next key area of 99.00. Now, it has not yet started, so until we have a confirmation that we are going to have bearish patterns and formation right at this area, I will not be looking for any selling opportunities. I will still be looking for bullish opportunities. As of last week, I was still looking for bullish opportunities. I killed NFP with this dollar strength that came in from last week, and even this week I'm still continuing making money. You will see the trades right after this video. Now, without wasting further time, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Remember, if your monthly chart is in sync with your weekly chart, and is in sync with your daily chart, and is in sync with your 4 hour chart and your 1 hour chart, that means you are doing it the correct way. Now, without wasting further time, this is This is the market where it's at now. We bought from this area, and ever since we went straight up to the area where we highlighted that we might get a small uh, hiccup before continuing up, or find bearish setups that will lead us to break this low, and then expect continuation extremely down towards this area. But until then, we will still be looking for bullish setups and formation. Now on the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can see that we are almost, if not near, our take profit from this area right here. Now after this, everyone in here who was not buying from this area had a problem. Now look at this beautiful setup. This is going to be the target profit. We have leading currencies that can support all of this analysis that we had. Since we're having a bullish momentum in the dollar, it means the dollar will be strong against the NZD, against the euro, against the pound, against the Aussie, against the franc, and against the yen. Now, without wasting further time, let me show you the signals that we've had over with this momentum, which means those signals will indicate the fact that we bought the dollar more over every other currencies. That is called correlation trading. Let me show you how it truly works. Now, without wasting further time, let me do them chronologically, as I would be starting with the euro and the dollar. Now, with the euro and the dollar, we still have the signal. Uh, Let me zoom out a little bit. This was a sell. Everyone, if you remember, we sold from here. If you don't have the signal, make sure that you get this kind of signals from here down to here. We are nearly taking that take profit that we highlighted on the dollar index. And let's check the pound. I'm trying to move as fast as I can. This is the pound. With the pound, we entered from here, and ever since, this has been our reality. And we even took profit right here at the demand zone. This analysis was not like the euro and the dollar. Our demand zone we reached quite Friday, uh, right right before we closed the market. We reached take profit one here, and the market went today early in the morning. We were able to catch pips like this, and we will show you everything afterwards. Now, I think we have to go to the Aussie. Now, the Aussie still has the Aussie. I left the chart on the monthly time frame. I should specify and go to our with the Aussie. This is the scenario. We had a sell from this area, the stop loss above there, and we hit take profit right below here. And then today early in the morning, this is the second sell, and we are still structured to the downside. I don't think I will be looking for any bullish setups unless I break the structure like this and then start creating bullish setups and then continuing up. Until then, I'm not changing any analysis. Now, let's continue up again to the Kiwi and the dollar. Now, with the Kiwi and the dollar, it is the same as every other pair. We are structured to the downside and nothing else will change the idea. That is the mentality of a profitable trader. We sold from here last week, take profit one here. This week we continued the sell from here to go down below. We are still in a sell as it will be shown after this video. And last but not least, we have the card whom we are still in a trade with. I will show you how the card is looking. The US dollar and the Canadian dollar. And the dollar and the card is we bought from here. We still haven't taken profit. I think we have now taken profit because we were a bit aggressive early in the morning. We decided not to take profit right here at this area of 135.17 and we decided to make it a new high, take profit at 135.35. So I think we just got hit our take profit about an hour ago. Now, without wasting further time, I still think we can reach this level of 136.28 before we can start looking for selling pressure in the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. Now, without wasting another precious time, let's go and check out I think we have done each and every pair and we still have this trade of euro and the yen. Now, the signals are working. I'm just here for the signals. I'm not here for many things. We still have this. This is today's sell. From last week, I had a belief that the market will pull up until this area and then start making lower lows down towards the area of 150.03. Now, we are still in the sell, which might continue like this before we take our profit at 158.03. Now, let's check the pound and the yen. This is the euro and the yen. Let's check the pound and the yen. Remember, this is correlation trading. With the pound and the yen, we were lucky to get in yesterday because correlation told us that we are selling the euro and the pound against the dollar. So we also sold the euro and the pound against the yen. Now, this was the great area for me to sell. After that, we had the market has done this. All I was waiting for was this area to be retested. Find bearish setups, enter here, stop loss here, confirmation, and then continuation to the downside. Now, you have to watch out for this guy. If he continues making bullish setups, I will move my stop loss to break even or to the last higher low right here. Now, without wasting further time, why are you not trading? What is your problem? Why are you not having signals that are working like this? It is probably because you do not have the right team next to you. Now, we can teach you right here at Winboss Forex News Trading. We are doing this every day without demotion. We just trade, we let the trade run, and everything works in our favor because we have the right tools. And our own and personal mission is to make sure that everybody makes money in trading independently without depending on one person for signals or for one person for education. But in order for everyone, after you've met me, you must be able to open your own company while you are trading. That is my goal. That is the goal that I'm helping everybody with. Now, all this, let me give you, last but not least, the dollar and the Swiss franc. What's up, traders? Are you still alive? Yes, yes, yes. I see. I see your names. Yes. No, I don't talk too fast. I talk too slow. Okay, now with the dollar and the franc, now this pair has been the most beautiful. I was expecting bearish setups from this area since we are still structured to the downside according to me and up until we reach this level, and I'll still be looking for selling opportunities. So on this one, honestly, I did not enter here, but I was supposed to enter, but I could not overdo my risk. I did enough risk. So I follow risk management. I don't just follow because I know the signal is right. I just gotta have to do everything. No, it is never gonna happen like that. So without wasting further time, this is what happened on the euro. Remember, the dollar strength is what I am after. That means that this dollar pair that we have here is favoring dollar strength, and you are buying the dollar strength and selling the Swiss franc right now, right? But I am still looking for something like this. If we break this low and we do a little retest, I'll be looking for this, but being careful for the fact that you might still get a retest, and then boom, from here the market continues high. You will check this every day and carefully, so speaking. Now, without wasting further time, join our course, ask for our signal, and make sure that you make your own money. It's hard out here in South Africa to make money. People don't have enough, but you know, they need a lot. Now, Forex is the way out. But if you only if you don't believe that Forex is the way out, you will suffer and struggle with a lot of things. Understanding reality, why is that guy rich? Why is that guy poor? So joining, oh, look at this. This might definitely be my kind of setup. Until then, I'm gonna put a sell stop right here with the stop loss above here, and then a continuation down below, only if we break here. But if we do not break here and we start making something like this and we continue up, you have to be very careful with your money. Break even, be sure with this. Okay, and last but not least, we have three different courses for forex education. We have three different kinds of investment for forex investing. Now, without wasting further time, let's jump into this. The first course that we have is beginner to pro ultimate course, which is 1,500, and if you're not from South Africa, it is $82. Now, beginner to pro ultimate course will help a beginner to turn to a pro only if you complete the course. Now, with this, it includes the Mastering Fibonacci Price Action course and Deadly Sniper Entry course. Now, the second course that we have, which is 500, is Mastering Fibonacci Price Action course. Now, this one is for professional traders who are struggling with consistency. This one will run your trading journey to be so smooth. Now, this course is $30 if you're not from South Africa. Now, Mastering Fibonacci Price Action course is 500. This one will help you analyze wave by wave and know where to enter and how to enter and how to set take profit one and take profit two. Now, last but not least, we have Deadly Sniper Entry course, which is 250 Rand. Now, with this Deadly Sniper Entry course, it only includes a small portion. This Mastering Fibonacci Price Action course and Sniper Entry course is for people who are already trading but are struggling for consistency. Either you're struggling to find out where to enter, either you're struggling to find out if the sentiment is bullish or bearish. But if you're having five consistent losses in a row, you need most of this if you can understand most of what trading is all about. Now, let's go to the side of investing. With the side of investing, we have account management. On this one, account management is whereby you give me your password, you give me your trading pin, I trade for you, you withdraw for yourself, you do everything for yourself only if you pay 300 per month, and the minimum on your account must be 1000. Thank you. And then we have the investment. This one is a once off thing. We have minimum of 3000 up to it is unlimited. Let me not say up to, because it is unlimited, but the biggest investor that we have is 20,000 in. So it's 3000 minimum up to unlimited. And this one, what we can do with this 300, we can turn it into 6,000 within 6 months. That is what we offer in trading. And now for those who know how to trade, they just want to see how the signals are moving. As you can see, we are trading live, so this one is definitely for you. This one are the trading signals, and it's 250 per month, per month, regardless of how big your account is, regardless of how small your account is. This one you will be managing personally for yourself. Now, before we close this, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to create awareness, and share the videos to create awareness for people who you think should know and hear about this. Without wasting further time, see you on the next video.